For the first time, in this part, make it a little bit more stretch out with the stretch. And also like this to down and back, and don't worry about some sound. It's normal when it's new and you make like this, or this will be sound like something will broke, but it's not broke, it's normal. For the first time, put that in 2 people, will be more easy, like against each other, like this. Then make it more tight. And it's good always 1 time or 2 times in the day. Make the belly band loose. A little bit put that on the place where we need it. And then again tight. Because for sure over the night we'll a little bit move that. So at morning I think will be best. And again at the evening make that loose. Put that on the right place and make it again tight for the night and over the day.